Good morning students. Welcome back to Max online class. In the previous class, you have learned Heron's formula. Today also, I am going to continue Heron's formula. Once again, shall we recall the formula for area of triangle? Heron's formula. If A, B, C are the sides of a triangle having three sides, I am taking three sides as A, B, C triangle. Then the area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. Area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. Here, what is S? S is equal to semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means we have to add three sides A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Next, from this formula, we can deduct that. We can bring the area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square units. Here root 3 value is 1.732. What's the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 A square units. If you are using the same formula, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C means also same answer will be get it. Have you all understand this? Next, area of right triangle. Area of right triangle is equal to half into base into height square units. Area of right triangle is equal to half into base into height square units. Here also you can use the formula root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. If you are using this formula means also we will be get the same answer. Have you all understand this? Okay. Now I am going to explain exercise 7.1 fifth problem. An advertisement board is in the form of an isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 meter and each of the equal sides are 13 meter. Find the cost of painting it at rupees 17.50 per square meter. We have to find the total cost of painting. If we want to find the total cost of painting means we have to find its total area. We have to find a total area. What is given first? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. A, B, C. We can take it A. The one side is A. Another two side 13 meter. 13 meter. Two equal sides are 13 meter and 13 meter. We have to find out first this side. Okay. A value first we want to find out. First, it is given. An advertisement board is in the form of isosceles triangle with the perimeter 36 meter. Perimeter 36 meter and each of the equal sides are 13 meter. Equal sides are 13 meter. First, let A be the unknown side. Value of unknown side like that I am taking. Okay, let A be the side, one side. Next, let another two sides are B is equal to C is equal to 13 meter. Okay, two sides are equal in isosceles triangle. The two sides are 13 meter. First, perimeter given. Perimeter is equal to 36 meter. Perimeter formula A plus B plus C is equal to 36. A in place A plus B in place also 13. C in place also 13 is equal to 36. So A plus 13 plus 13, 26 is equal to 36. So A is equal to 36 minus 26 is equal to 10 meter. So one side we got it. Okay. Therefore, three sides are A is equal to 10 meter, B is equal to 13 meter, C is equal to 13 meter. A is equal to 10 meter, B is equal to 13 meter, C is equal to 13 meter. Next, what is S? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. It's equal to A in place 10, B in place 13, C in place 13 by 2 is equal to 36. 10 plus 13 plus 13, 36 by 2. 1 2 is 2. Here also 1 2 is 2. 1 balance. 8 2 is 16. So S is equal to 18. S is equal to 18. Next, what we want to find out? We have to find out the area. Okay, we have to find out the area. Area of an advertisement board is equal to formula root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. It's equal to root of S in place 18 into next 18 minus 10 into 18 minus 13 into 18 minus 13. It's equal to 18 into 18 minus 10, 8, 18 minus 13, 5, 18 minus 13, 5. Clear this? Next, when we are factorizing 18, what will we get? 2 table, 9 2s are 18, 3, 3 3s are 9, 3, 1. 2 into 3 square into this one. 2 into 2 square, like that we can take. 8. 8 when we are factorizing. 2. 4 2s are 8. 2. 2 2s are 4. 2. 1. So 2 square into 2, like that we can take it. Next 5 into 5. 5 square. Okay. To 18 place 2 into 3 square. 18 place 2 square into 2. Next 5 into 5 is equal to 5 square. It's equal to, what is 2 into 2? 2 into 2, 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into 5 square. Everything pair number. So we can, the square root of 2 square is equal to 2. Square root of 3 square is equal to 3. Square root of 2 square is equal to 2. Square root of 5 square is equal to 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 into 5 is equal to 60 square units. Square meter, 60 square meter or meter square, 60 meter square. We got the area of an advertisement board. Next we have to find out total cost of painting. We have to find out total cost of painting. First, cost of painting per meter square is equal to rupees 17.50. Next, total cost of painting is equal to total cost of painting is equal to total area into cast painting per meter square. Total area into cast painting per meter square. That is 60 into 17.50. That is 60 into 17.50. When we are multiplying, what will be get? 1750 into 60. When we are multiplying 0. Okay, 60 with we have to multiply means 0. Simply we can write. Next 6 into 0, 0. 5 6 are 30. Next 3 balance. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 45. 4 balance. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 4 10. How many digits before we have to put my decimal point? Yeah, 2 digits before we have to put the decimal point. Why means after the decimal point 2 digits are there. Therefore, total cost of painting is equal to rupees 1050. So, total cost of painting is equal to rupees 1050. Therefore, total cost of painting is equal to rupees 1050. Have you all understand this? Very easy problem now. First we have to find out two sides given. Okay, two sides are equal. That is 13 meter and 13 meter. Okay, so on the one side we have to find out. I have taken let A be the unknown side. Okay, let A be the unknown side. A value we have to find out first. A be the unknown side, B and C given. B is equal to C is equal to 13 meter. Perimeter also given, that is 36 meter. Perimeter formula A plus perimeter means distance around the figure, is it? Distance around the figure, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 36. A plus 13 plus 13 is equal to 36. A plus 26 is equal to 36. A is equal to 36 minus 26 equal to 10 meter. Therefore, three sides A is equal to 10, B is equal to 13, C is equal to 13 meter. Next, we have to find out S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 for finding area. Okay, we have to find a total cost of painting. That means we have to find out total area. Okay, total area of an advertisement board. For that, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 36 by 2 is equal to 18 meter. Then area of an advertisement board is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is equal to 18 into 18 minus 10 into 18 minus 13 into 18 minus 13 is equal to 18 into 8 into 5 into 5 is equal to this one we can write 2 into 3 square, 18 in place. 8 in place we can write 2 square into 2. Next 5 into 5 we can write 5 square. It's equal to root of 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into 5 square. Everything per number. Okay, square number. So we can write it square root of 2 square is equal to 2. 2 into this 3 into 2 into 5. Is equal to 60 meter square. Next, cost of painting per meter square is rupees 17.50. Total cost of painting means total area into cost of painting per meter square. So 60 into 17.50 is equal to rupees 1050 is the answer. Now I am going to explain exercise 7.1, sixth problem. Find the area of unshaded region. We have to find out this unshaded region. Find the area of unshaded region. First, how we can find out the area of unshaded region? First, we want to find out area of triangle ABC. Okay, area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABD means we will be get area of unshaded region. Full triangle minus area of the full triangle area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABD means we will be get area of unshaded region. Have you all understand this? area of full triangle, area of triangle ABC minus area of shaded triangle. This triangle is shaded. Okay. When we are subtracting area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABD is equal to area of unshaded region. First, we have to find out area of triangle ABC. If you want to find out area of triangle ABC, we need 3 sides. Whether we know 3 sides? No, we don't know 3 sides. Which AB side we don't know. Okay, AB side we don't know. Is it? Okay. First we want to find out the side AB. First we want to find out the side AB. Now it is which triangle? Which triangle? This triangle is, area of triangle ABD is right angle triangle. In right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, area of triangle ABC, it is the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? The side opposite to right angle. It is the right angle. The side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. Have you all understand? The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Here AB is the hypotenuse. Have you all understand? AB is hypotenuse. So AB is equal to root of AD square plus BD square. In the lower class itself, we have you have learned, is it? AB is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two side. Okay, last year you have learned the Pythagoras theorem. Which one? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the other two side. So AB is equal to root of AD square plus BD square. So equal to, what is AD square? AD square side is 12 square plus 16 square. 12 square plus 16 square. What is 12 square? 12 square is equal to 144. What is 16 square? 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36. 3 balance. 6 9 16. 156. Okay, clear? Next, when we are adding, it's equal to 300. Sorry, here 256. 256. When we are adding 400, it's equal to 400. Okay. 256. 144 plus 256 is equal to root 400. When we are factorizing 400, what will be get? 10 table 40. Next, both are, so 2 0 is there now. So 10, 4, 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. So we can write 10 square into 2 square. Okay, 400 is equal to root of 10 square into 2 square. It's equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, the side AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Side AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Next, in triangle ABC, sorry, it is the right triangle ABD. In right triangle ABD, only right triangle. ABC is not a right angle triangle. Okay, triangle ABD only right triangle. So in right triangle ABD, not ABC, in right triangle ABD, by Pythagoras theorem, AB is equal to root of AD square plus BD square. It's equal to 12 square plus 16 square is equal to root of 144 plus 256 is equal to root of 400 is equal to root of 10 square into 2 square is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 centimeter. Now I'm going to find out the area of triangle ABC. Okay, we know this side is 20 centimeter. The side is 20 centimeter. Okay, now we want to find out in triangle ABC. S is equal to A. I'm taking A is equal to 20 centimeter. B is equal to 34 centimeter. C is equal to 42 centimeter. Okay, we got it. A, B, C. Now we have to find out S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What is S? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What is A? A in place 20. B in place 34. B in place 34. C in place, what is that? 42 by 2. So 20, 34, 42 and we are adding 6, 4 plus 2, 6. Next 2 plus 5, 5 plus 4, 96. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 48 centimeter. S is equal to 48 centimeter. Next, area of triangle ABC is equal to formula root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is equal to S in place. What's that? 48. 48 into 48 minus 20. A in place 20. Next 48 minus 34. B in place 34. Next S minus 48 minus 42. C in place 42. Is equal to root of 48 into 48 minus 20 means 28 into 48 minus 34. 14 into 48 minus 42. 6. Okay. Is it correct? Next, when we are factorizing, what will we get? When we are factorizing 48. Factorizing time 2 table 24, again 2 table 12, again 2 table 6, 2 3. Okay, we can write 2 square into 3. Next, when we are factorizing 28, what will we get? 2 14. Okay, already 14 is there. So we can write 2 into 14. Okay, 14 is there. So 14 into 14, 14 square, like that we can write. Okay, so we can write 2 into 14. This 14 again. Next 6 means 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3. So we are getting root of 2 square into 2 square into this 3 into 3, we can write 3 square. This 2 into 2, we can write 2 square into 14 square. Clear? Clear this? So everything square number. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 14. Here if you are writing, again factorizing also no problem. 2 into 7, like that we can write. This also 2 into 7. Like that also you can do that. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2, 24. 24 into 14. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9. 1 4 is 4. 1 2 is 2. So equal to 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9. 1 4 is 4, 2. Okay. 336 centimeters square. This is the area of triangle ABC. Next, what we want to find out? Area of triangle ABC we find out. Next, we want to find out area of triangle ABD. Okay, first we have find out area of triangle ABC, 336 centimeters square. Now then we want to find out area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. ABD is a right triangle. ABD is a right triangle. So what is base? Here this is hypotenuse. It is a hypotenuse, is it? So this side, any one side you can take as base. This one you can take as base. This one you can take as height. This side you can take as height. Clear? This is base. This is height. Okay. AD we can take as base. BD we can take as height. Clear? Hypotenuse the same. Base and height, any one base, any one height, like that you can write it. Clear? Okay. This is hypotenuse. Another two side is there. One side you take as base. Another side you want to take as height. Clear? Area of triangle ABD is equal to half into base into height. Is equal to half into, what is base, ma'am? Base is equal to 12. Height is equal to 16. Base into height. So 1 2 is 2. 8 2 is 16. This also you can cancel. Otherwise, that's anyone you have to cancel it. 12 8s are, what's that? 12 8s are 96. 96 centimeters square. What's that? Area of triangle ABD is equal to 96 centimeters square. What is area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 336 centimeters square. What is area of triangle ABD? 96 centimeters square. Therefore, area of unshaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABD is equal to 336 minus 96. 336 minus 96. When we are separating, what will we get? 13. So 4 240 is equal to 240 centimeters square. So area of unshaded region is equal to 240 centimeters. Have you all understand this? Have you all understand? Area of unshaded region, if you want to find out, area of big triangle, area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABD. Then we will be get area of unshaded region. Next, application of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilateral. Using Heron's formula, we can find out the area of which one? Area of quadrilateral. Okay, it is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral having 4 sides. Quadrilateral having 4 sides. A, B, C, D. Okay, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Both triangle. It is a, when we are splitting this with a diagonal, we have 2 triangle, is it? This is one triangle, this is one triangle. Okay, 2 triangle. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, what's that? Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Otherwise, we can divide it. When we are splitting with this diagonal, we will be get area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. 2 way also we can find out. Okay, using Heron's formula, we can find out which one? Area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD. With the diagonal, we have to join the diagonal. Okay, AC is one of the diagonal. Okay, so area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Have you all understand this? Have you all understand this? Any doubt? Okay, please learn this. Okay, next class I will continue this area of using Heron's formula, how to find out the area of quadrilateral. I'll teach in the next class. Thank you, students.